Hey, it's your guy Jay Knows Credit back with another video. This video we're going to be talking about the credit expungement for all three bureaus, and I changed the verbiage from sweep to expungement or expunger because people have a notion about credit sweeps are automatically in their mind. They think that it's illegal or they've done it through somebody else, and they think my process is the same, and they're thinking that's dealing with police reports and all of that falsifying, and that's not what the process is like. So changing the verbiage as well as the time frame. The time frame is now 60 business days, just because I found that there are some who are having a little bit of time. They have to wait additional for Equifax removals. So I'm just doing 60 business days, so there are no problems, and I'm able to be able to satisfy everybody from thinking that, Equifax is not working, just that they are very delayed on how they do things, as well as with submitting with Equifax, they don't let you submit multiple times because they will also block your account from being able to get things removed in the future. And so instead of trying to lock up your account, lock up your Equifax, I just want to, do one submittal and then be able to maybe do another submittal in your time frame if I need to, without messing anything up on your profile or making you feel like things are not going to get done. So very open, very honest, very transparent, but we are knocking things out in 60 business days or less. Okay, so I just want to let everybody know that. So to get started with the process, we were doing a way where people were able to go to the description, click on a link, put in their information. Some people didn't like it. Some people didn't like their personal information, put in that link or whatever. I've heard your feedback. We're not doing that anymore. So you have to call. You have to call to get the process done. You got to call 1-83333 J knows. It's 1-83333-556697, and we will do it over the phone. We do your consultation, be able to give you a price point. Prices are going to start at $1,000. That's the starting price for a 3-bureau credit suite. And they're going to go up from there based on what's on your credit profile. So there's not a one set amount that is for every person. So I want everybody to understand that there's no one set amount. Now, if you have 5 accounts or less, and those 5 accounts are not specialty items, they're just like regular collections, charge-offs, in small increments that are under $10,000 in debt, then you can be qualified for paying only that $1,000 price. If it is over that, you're going to pay more. If you have other extremity items like foreclosures, bankruptcies, repossessions, child support, things like that, then it will cost more. But I want everybody to know the basis is $1,000, but it can be more than that. All right, not going to make this video long and drawn out. Just want y'all to know the update on this process. And if you want to get started, definitely hit us up. You can also send an email to inquiry@jknowscredit.com. That's inquiry@jknowscredit.com. You can send that any email if you want to get started, or if you already had a consultation in the past 30 to 60 days. We can just use that and be able to give you a good quote. All right. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please go to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram for some other giveaways. I will be doing some new giveaways here July 1st, 2019. Y'all have a great evening. Great day.